How to play Brawl Stars on Nintendo Switch. I'm going to tell you how, or if it's actually possible, to play Brawl Stars on your Nintendo Switch. Right now, Brawl Stars is not officially available on the Switch because it's a mobile exclusive game for iOS and Android. Unlike Fortnite or other cross-platform games, Supercell hasn't released the Switch version, and there's no official support for consoles. However, some players have tried alternative methods. One option is installing Android OS on a modded Switch to access the Google Play Store and download Brawl Stars. Another method is using cloud gaming apps or screen mirroring from a mobile device to the Switch. That said, these workarounds come with risks. Modding your Switch could void your warranty, and third-party software may not be stable. Until Supercell announces official console support, the best way to play Brawl Stars is still on your phone or using an emulator on your personal computer.